Hey there, this is Jake from Maple Forge out here cleaning up the walking trail today. A lot of leaves and some limbs came down. Just doing some raking, clearing up the walkways. A lot of leaves and needles on the trail, which isn't really a big deal unless you're walking around, in those areas like this with lots of roots sticking up or a rock sticking up. You don't want to be twisting your ankle. So, doing that for a little while today. And as an added bonus, it's going to be deer season here in a couple weeks. So, you give deer a place to walk, they'll walk. They'll take it easy. And if you're out here walking around looking for them, you don't have to step in a bunch of dead, dry leaves and make a lot of noise. So, it's a bonus. All right, well, enjoy the rest of the day. Have fun. Bye.